Hey you guys, I'm Jasmine, and today we're about to do a wig try on. If y'all want to check out this raggedy Amazon wig I'm wearing, the video gonna be up. Or about to be up anyways. But I got this Converti-cap wig. This is an Outre wig. This is Honey Peaches in the color 2T130. And we about to try this on. So let's jump into it. So I truly hope this will become my new YouTube wig. Because I need to do some wig shopping. But I don't really want to because I'm on a budget. However, if I could find me a cheap $13 wig, I'm okay with that. So the color is really nice. It goes from dark to a lighter. I do not remember them ever putting these on the combs. Cap construction. Oh, let me take this off first before I show y'all. You got one long comb that goes in the front. 2 combs that go on the sides by your temples. You got a comb that goes at the back of your neck and a drawstring to adjust it. Alright, let's see what it's giving. Because again, I want something I can pop on and be cute with where it'll be a vibe. Oh my gosh. It's fine. I'm gonna probably have to get the scissors anyways. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to get scissors. I don't know why I didn't think about the fact that I was gonna have to cut hair. So, yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Now, how am I about to do this is the question. Dang, I should have got a plastic bag while I'm playing. I'm gonna just, oh my gosh, it really be nerve-wracking. Why is it giving Jerry curl? Oh my gosh, it's really giving Jerry curl. Should I have did that? Oh my gosh, why did I do that? Actually, I want to put my magnetic eyelashes on. I don't like it. And I think it's because I need to cut more. We're gonna brush it out. We're gonna brush it out. Because, you know what? I see the vision. Oh, I'm gonna probably have to cut the ends. I see the vision. It's giving Hermione from Harry Potter. It's we here, but it is definitely giving Hermione. It's so crazy how quickly it's transformative. Very crazy. I also look like one of those Tumblr girls from back in the day. I wonder if these wigs were out at that time because this is probably where they was getting this hair from. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be my YouTube wig for the time being. It's very long though. It's extremely long. I'm gonna cut some of the ends off because I don't like how long it is. But it's definitely giving Harry Potter Hermione energy. But yeah, this is gonna be my wig, my go-to wig for the time being, but it's also giving, what's it, 80s? I'm not mad at it though. Oh my gosh. I'm not mad at it. It's different. It's definitely giving me 80s high school yearbook or something. I love that for me. Personally, I like the way it looks because it looks different. And I think it looks cute. So yeah, this gonna be the wig. This gonna be the vibe for a decent amount of months, y'all. But again, geez, they really gave me a booklet. Huh. I'm gonna have to get this wig again. But this is the Converti-cap Honey Peaches in 2T130. Now, would I recommend wearing this out the house? Probably not, because I do feel the tracks. You would probably have to brush it out much more. I mean, that's at your own discretion, though. If you're gonna be out at night and it's gonna be dark lit, go ahead, girl, because they can't see the tracks if it's dark. But that's just me. But yeah, this gonna be my YouTube wig. Because it's definitely not gonna be one I actually wear at the house. Absolutely not. Not the timer in a way. It kind of looked wiggy after I realized the timer was in the way. Let me see something. Let me see. Oh, that's cute. I would wear this. It's so cute. I'll put a little right here. Yeah. It is so cute to me. Actually, no. Push that back. Oof, not the wig cap showing. Girl.
Showing your secrets.
Showing your secrets. Yeah, you gotta be cautious though with the placement of the headband. But I mess with it. I probably would like it a bit more if it had been in dark brown, to be honest. I wish I had left the bangs a little bit longer because now the more I'm looking at it, I'm starting not to like it.